Hi everyone, this is task 3 for Lab 7, viewing a satellite image in ArcGIS Pro. For that, in step 1, in ArcGIS Pro, insert a new map frame. So go to insert and insert new map frame. Once you have the map frame, right click on the map frame, go to properties and rename it to task 3 and then click OK. Once you have renamed it, now we need to add tmrec.bill. So find it in your lab 7 folder. It will be in your Landsat folder. So add this tmrec.bill to your current map from catalog to the contents pane. And then once you have added it, right click and then zoom to layer. And then the table of contents shows tmrec.bill is a RGB composite with red for band 1, green representing band 2, and blue for band 3. In step 2, right click tmrect and then open the symbology pane. So right click, go to symbology, and then you can use the drop down menus and change the RGB composite. You can change the red to use band 3 and use band 2 for green and band 1 for blue, and you can observe the changes in the color once you do it. In step 3, follow the same steps and change the RGB composite. For red, use band 4. For green, use band 3. And for blue, use band 2. Now you should see the image as an infrared photograph. For task 3 screenshot, take a screenshot of the image shown in infrared and place it in your answer sheet. So take a screenshot of this and include in your answer. And that's all for task 3 of lab 7. Thank you.